Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix the app you're trying to install is not a Microsoft verified app. Super easy fix. It will take you less than a minute. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to search here, and here you need to write settings, right? And after that, just press on settings tab here, and then you should get similar window like I'm seeing here right now. And on the left menu you should see apps. So you need to press on apps, and then you need to basically press on advanced app settings, and the first option should be choose where to get apps. And if you're getting this error, probably you set up on the Microsoft Store only. So what you need to do here is to select anywhere, right, and restart your computer, and that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.